Hi, ito po ang Task 1 by Group 2 at ito po kaming mga members. Ayun po, papakita po namin sa inyo yung progress at kung paano namin nagawa ito ng maayos at paano namin siya napagana. So, simulan na po natin. So, ito po yung mga gagamitin namin for the Task 1, which is yung mga nakikita nyo. Unang-una na dyan yung breadboard, sunod yung mga LED na resistor na 1K watts, Arduino, jumper wires, and power supply.
Last one, LED dancing with 10 effects. Ito po siya. So, ito po yung diagram niya. Ang connection po nito is itong ground po ng Arduino connected po sa ground. Then itong lahat ng ground ng LED is naka-series po. Ayan, connected po lahat yan. Naka-series po lang. Naka-series po sila isa-isa. Then yung positive po nila about isang LED, may resistor pong 220 ohms na connect sa positive nila. So, tapos next naman yan is ito. Digital pin 2 connected po dito sa may resistor ng yellow. Digital pin 3 connected po sa may resistor ng yellow po ulit dito. Digital pin 4 connected sa may resistor, positive ng resistor ng LED. Next, digital pin 5 connected po dito sa may kulay blue. Positive yan ha. Digital pin 6 dito naka-connect sa may LED na blue. Then digital pin 7 connected dito po sa may kulay blue na LED. Then digital pin 8 connected po dito sa green. Digital pin 9 yan. Digital pin 10 connected po yan dito sa may green. Then itong red, digital pin 11 yan, connected dito sa may red LED. Digital pin 12 ayun, 12, 13, ito, digital 13, yan. So, ayun lang po yan. So, ang kakalabasan naman po nito kapag nira na po yung program, mag-iiba-iba lang po ng function yun dito na ng LED, bali, paiba-iba po siya. May depende po sa program na yun. Like yung patay-sindi lang po isa-isa, tapos yung magtutuloy-tuloy po, bukas dito, tapos dire-diretso, gano'n lang po. Panoodin nyo lang po yung video guys.
Int LED pins is the array. It goes to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to 13 connected to the digital Arduino pins. Int num LEDs is 12 and delay time is the delay between effects. Void setup. It initialize each pin as output. And for our first effect in the void loop, effect 1, all LEDs turn on. And after turning on, all LEDs will turn off. With the using of digital write and LED pins array and delay time effect. And for the effect number 2, running LED from left to right. Int and index equals to 0 and index to num LED less than num LED and index increment or increment. Then using with the digital write LED pins and delay time, it can run from left to right. And for the effect 3, just doing the opposite thing, changing the greater than and less than. Right to, the LED will run from right to left. And for effect number 4, center to outside, using just by pairing them with the increment operations, the LEDs will turn from the center to outside. And for the effect number 5, just going for the opposite or the opposite direction. And for effect number 6, blink alternating LEDs. Hint, index equals to 0 and num LEDs, and index plus equal to 2, and digital LED pin size, and delay time. And for effect number 7 is the sneak pattern. And effect number 8, strobe effect, quick on and off. And for effect number 9, LEDs will turn on one by one. And for our last unique effect is random LED blinks.
So, nakikita nyo po guys, na-assemble po yung mga LED, which is 12 LED sa ating breadboard. And pinatime-lapse po siya para makita nyo yung pinaka-outcome ng kanyang ginagawa o outcome ng kanyang pag-assemble. And also, sinure na rin namin na yung mga codes and yung mga connection na pagdudugtungin namin is hopefully gumana siya. Yeah. And after the LED, sinunod niya yung mga resistor, which is the 1K watts. And after that, sinunod, sabay-sabay yung nilagay yan sa mga pin na depende sa pin na kung saan man sila naka-place. So, ayan po yun. And sunod, for the rest of it is naglagay siya ng connector sa ground and doon sa negative ng mga LED, which is yung makikita nyo sa video na to. Okay, so ito yung mga possible na challenges and difficulties namin pagdating dito sa task 1. Unang-una is loose connection siya kasi napakaselan nung LED. Pagdating kasi sa mga tester ganyan, gumagana, pero pag nasaksak natin is doon na siya parang nasisira o nagkakaroon ng depekto. Pangalawa naman sa loose connection ng breadboard, which is kung saan natin ilalagay para mapagana yung mga LED na gusto natin pailawit. And also, nahirapan din kami sa codes kung paano yung speed, kung paano yung tamang takbo at yung tamang flow, depende sa effects na gusto namin para sa performance na gagawin ng LED. So, yun yung mga so far ang mga difficulties namin. But over and all, nagiging maganda naman and convenient naman sa paningin kasi yun nga, gumagana and also is sumasayaw siya and masaya siyang tingnan para magkaroon din ng parang entertainment ganyan. And also hindi siya masakit sa mata kasi nga gumagalaw siya, and also parang sumasayaw na din. So overall, maganda naman ang kinalabasan and hopefully nagawa namin siya ng maayos and maging mabuti pa at mag-improve pa yung bagay na to, hindi lang basta ganito, and also sa mga ibang bagay pa. So yun lang po, maraming salamat po and God be all the glory po.